No, we're not. Happy Monday, everybody, and welcome back to the farm. Happy New Year too as well. We are starting the year off doing a long-awaited finishing touch on the finishing touch list for the checkout counter, which is securing this blue metal to the front of the counter here. It is the same metal that we have that is wrapped around the store. The only difference is this guy is flat without the ridges in it. And our friend Stephanie happened to show up just in time to give us an assist. So thank you, Steph, for coming by for some eggs and helping Dragon and I get this in place. Still need to finish securing the rest of the counter. The top is just sitting there. We still have some other improvements to the checkout area that we're going to do. We still need to finish the back of the checkout counter too as well. The boss is here, everybody. So while the refrigerator and the freezer cooler are done, what say you, Dragon? Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year, everybody. Still not New Year.
Don't worry, but it will be when they see this.
No, I was just telling Stephanie how this is going to be least noticeable, but it's good to have it. Like, it just gives a clean, really nice and clean look. So
yeah, everything is there's nothing that's interrupting the space, so it actually makes the checkout counter, I think, look a little bit longer, even though we still have product that's there in front of it. Coffee here, and then the other shelves are empty now, but we have product in them on the weekend. What's on your calendar for finishing everything else? Do you have a timeline? People are asking.
no timelines. Every timeline that I set, we were way off. So we'll see. All depends
All right.
how it goes. So
I like it. I can live in that space.
there you go.
All right. Check this one off the list. What's on the list, nobody knows, but for now, this is off.
Old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot and old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. And surely you'll buy your pint cup, and surely I'll buy mine. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old
Happy Wednesday, everybody, and Happy New Year as well. We are out in our orchard today, down here in Champion's Orchard, wasting no time starting off the new year with a little project to make sure that these trees get the best possible start this year. Dragon, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody.
What's going on today?
We are taking advantage of a unseasonably warm day today. It's about 55 degrees, I believe. So we missed the opportunity to spray the trees around Thanksgiving because we didn't have a sprayer when it got rainy and cold. And now we got this window of nice weather to spray this copper fungicide and horticultural oil that will prevent any dormant insect eggs from coming back in the spring. So we always, when we planned this orchard, we always said that we're going to do minimal spraying, and any spraying that's going to be done is going to be while trees are dormant. No spraying will be done on the trees, on the fruit itself, or on the leaf. So it's we're going to try. So we'll see how well that goes. But looks like we overestimated, or I overestimated how much solution we're going to need. This is a 30-gallon sprayer. We got this off of Northern Tools. It was a Black Friday sale for $200. It's a great 30 gallons. We're going to save this and probably come back, and if we get another warm day, mid-January, come back and do another spray. And right before the buds come out in late February, do a last spray for the season, and that should be it. That should be good. So,
How are the trees looking overall?
trees are looking good. There's still, I'm finding, I don't know if
How snow.
trees are looking good, but there's quite a few that are damaged with the deer. So definitely spring is going to show what's going to survive, what's not. Plums are really, the plums that were doing good, they were really, really damaged by deer. So we'll see. It's disappointing, but
Part of the process.
part of the process, yeah. So, but yeah, looking forward to this. It's going to be a second full year with the trees, and hope some of these trees are really big. We hope to have a little more fruit out of this season. So we'll see.
All right. Looking forward to it. In case you're wondering, my exclamation, this big guy right here came over and pawed me because he wanted a little attention. So here he is. Bella is here too. And Trinity is peeking her head right there through the fence and wagging a trail. Hi, Trin. Hi, Trin.
Mama. Hello, baby. Come on, Mama.
Hope everybody is having a wonderful New Year's Day out there and staying safe if you are traveling on the roads this time of year.
We'll take a cup of kindness, yet all lang
The Arriaga family is here on New Year's Day with their beautiful farm shirts. Awesome.
Courtesy of our beautiful friends here at Gardening Gays.
We promised you guys 2 weeks ago that we were going to get Sam's impression of his first time butchering meat chickens. Sam?
Yeah, it was like I said that night, I didn't know what I was gonna feel. I didn't know if there was some nerves, but it didn't really hit me. I'm the type of person that once I get into it, the nerves build up, and then once I start rolling out, it could either make me or break me, I'll just say. But me just following Kevin's and Dragon's advice to the T, step by step. They said A, I did A. They said B, I did B. It made things a lot easier, and Yeah, it was. You have to get over something in your mind that first time, but it was interesting. That's what I say. And but it was good. It was good experience. It was everything. The preparation is huge. I didn't realize how much goes into it beforehand, and then during. Being very organized. All of these things played a key part, and it just made things easier for me also because I'm very organized. So knowing that there was a structure laid out, I knew the stations and where to go and when to go, and just following instructions, just being a sponge and taking that advice was key. So I'm very appreciative. I learned a lot that day.
Meat chickens coming to your pastures this season? Yes?
Yes, I'll be having, how many we have?
Those are ordered already.
Yeah, they're already on order.
We started with 35 for the spring, and I think we're going to do another 35 in autumn as well. So, yeah.
And
we'll see how that does for the family. We eat a lot of chicken, so.
And the great part is you don't have to go at it alone. You have us.
Yes, yes.
That's the best part. Absolutely.
I have fun doing it too, It's my first time going through that, but at the same time, we were joking and not being so uptight about it. It was great.
This time next year, you're going to be behind the camera interviewing somebody else.
Yes.
Yeah, hopefully, right?
With the push that you guys have given us, we can definitely see ourselves jumping into that type of thing.
All right.
But if you'd asked me last year what I'll be doing this year,
Oh, it was definitely not this.
I would have never guessed.
Trust me, we've all been there.
Having the right people, community, mentorship can literally shave off just years out of your growth, which is amazing. I didn't think we would be here for another couple of years. We just made a year having moved here.
Yes.
And to be at this level is just thanks to you guys and your gracious spirits with us. So thank you.
Keep surrounding yourself with people who know more than you. That's what we try to
Absolutely.
do. So.
And that have been and are where you want to be.
Right, absolutely.
Those are the only people you should be taking criticism or any type of life-altering advice
Right.
from.
Those who give you other advice and they haven't done this, I call them non-practitioners.
Yes, exactly.
Well, best of luck this season. I'm sure the folks out there will see lots of you guys, and we are very proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Friday, everybody. We have made it to the end of the week and to a day of preparation here on the farm as we are getting ready for our first snowstorm of the season headed our way in just a couple of days. We also needed to still get all of our pasture-raised chicken tractors up off the ground. We lift them every winter so that the bottom of them are not just sitting there soaking up moisture throughout the season until it's time to come back along and get these fixed up for the springtime. Also just securing everything as we deal with wind, whatever other kind of inclement weather might be heading our way over the winter. But now that this is done, we wait and see what the forecast brings us in a couple of days.
Snow, let's go.
Well, everybody, it is the next day.
Next day.
It is Saturday and not Friday, our traditional closeouts. We ended up going out last night to Colonial Beach.
It's a snowstorm.
Well, it was light snow. They caught some video of the snow. And snow in the snow. It was his first time in the snow, too, as well. So, but last night we ended up going down to Colonial Beach and out for a little double date with our friends Stephanie and Judd. So I had intended to pick up the camera to close out down there, but it was brutally cold last night, so that also did not happen. But the boss is with us. He's gonna get a little bit closer to the camera. Yeah, you're standing behind me. There we are. Hey, look at him. He's in frame, everybody.
You guys think of my new hat? It's my Christmas gift from Cindy. Thanks, Cindy.
I got one too, by the way. She loves me also.
Kevin doesn't like his.
She loves me too. Dragon, closing thoughts on your week?
It was a good week. We had a busy day today. We have a storm, cold front coming for those who live on mid and east coast. We have a big cold front coming up. Tonight's temperatures are dipping into high teens. Have a decent day tomorrow. Then Sunday, starting early Sunday morning, we're expecting snow all day, through morning and late afternoon Sunday. So we'll see. We're expecting, they say, between 5 to 18 inches. So we'll see what ends up being. So,
if you guys are out there dealing with it and traveling, hopefully you are packing your patience and your jackets and your scullies, whatever you need to stay warm, and everybody is preparing to stay safe and also trying to be kind with each other in the process. That's going to do it officially for us this week. And if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County,
drive safe.
Make sure you stop right here at Sears at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
We'll see you next week.